determine the bulk modulus of elasticity of a fluid which is compressed in a cylinder from a volume of 0.009 meter cube at 70 Newton per centimeter square pressure to a volume of 0.0085 meter cube at 270 Newton per centimeter square pressure. So you have to find out the value of bulk modulus. So what is given in this question? You have to find out the value of K. So V1 which is given, that is equal to 0.009 meter cube, P1 that is 70 Newton per centimeter square, V2 that is equal to 0.0085 meter cube, P2 that is equal to 270 Newton per centimeter square. So how to calculate the value of bulk modulus? So we know that K that is equal to dP by minus dV by V. Okay, so that is equal to P2 minus P1 minus V2 minus V1 by V1. Okay, so from here just put the value P2 that is 270 minus P1 that is 70 minus V2, what is the value of V2? That is equal to 0.0085 minus P1 0.009 divided by V1. V1, what is the value of V1? That is 0.009. So if you want to calculate this value, so this value will be 200 into 0.009 divided by 0.009 minus 0.0085. Okay, so if you want to calculate this value, so 200 into 0.009 divided by 0.009 minus 0.0085. So this value will be 3600 and the unit will be Newton per centimeter square. So the answer will be 3600 Newton per centimeter square.